Today I will be showing you what is the most ideal app for you by comparing the top iPhone editing softwares item by item. Let's get into it.
As for the first item, we are comparing if you can add images as an overlay in these apps, and here is the result. As you can see on the screen, VideoLeap and CapCut are completely supported for image overlays, but in Splice and iMovie you are unable to add an image overlay, and in Adobe Rush you cannot change the position of the image. As the second item, we will comparison all these applications to find out whether you can add a voice overlay to these applications or not. It was easy to add a voiceover in majority of these apps, except Adobe Rush that the process was time consuming and not the most efficient. For the next item, we tried to type different words with costume fonts and colors, and tried to customize them and reshape them as we want. And the result test was interesting. VideoLeap and CapCut was perfect at customizable text, Splice was not that bad, while iMovie and Adobe Rush had really limited library of customizable shapes and styles. At fourth item, we have checked whether these apps are able to add automatic subtitle and captions or not. And the result was frankly surprising. It turned out that only CapCut is capable of this feature. In fifth part, we've checked the ability of adding different animations and GIFs to your videos. Since this feature requires premium subscriptions on most apps, not every app seemed to support it on free version. And the only two video apps that supported it was VideoLeap and CapCut. In the sixth part, we tried to find out which of these 5 apps are supporting online sound effects library, and the result turned out like this. VideoLeap surprisingly requires premium subscription, while Splice, CapCut, and iMovie are fully supporting online effects, and Adobe Rush had limited library. Now let's head to the next item. As you guys know, non-copyrighted musics are critical to YouTube policies, and an online YouTube music library is so important. So as the sixth item, we check this feature and here's the results. In this part, the best app to provide a music library was CapCut, and except iMovie, honestly the rest of them was not that good and would limit you in different ways. Last but not least, let's go to the final item. Last item is about the ability to export in 4K. Although you might think this is an essential video editing feature, but iMovie only lets you to export in 4K 30 frames, and Adobe Rush requires you to purchase their premium package. In my personal preferences, CapCut was the best by far, and VideoLeap came after in second place. But this is only in my idea and you might have different criteria. So make sure to watch all the items to find the best app for you. Thank you for your kind attention, and I would appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel.